Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing great. From today, I'm going to start a new video series. The video series is related to code. As a marketer, of course, you need to know some basic coding. And if you like to be a great marketer, of course, you have to have some basic knowledge about coding. You don't need to have expert in coding, but you must have to have some basic knowledge. So today's this video series I will discuss about step by step the coding which is required for you to be a good marketer. Especially if you like to track your website and analyze your data from Google Tag Manager, that the cases you need some basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Especially, you need to know CSS selector, HTML tag, and some JavaScript DOM related thing. So let's get it started. If we visit any of the website, every website, if we inspect and go to the view source, everywhere you see the code. This website also, if we inspect and go to the view source, you see there is everywhere this is the code. And any website behind the scene, this is HTML code. Any website, every website is built with HTML code. So we learn something about HTML uh which is required for us. So I am closing the tab and going to my desktop and opening my terminal. And I am just going to desktop and then making a folder called HTML. Sorry. HTML. Inside the HTML folder, I am taking a file name index.html. This is the HTML folder. Inside the HTML folder, you see there is a file name HTML. I am just dragging the folder to my Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is like as others text editor, but it is used for coding, and definitely it will give you some extra facility to doing code. And now if I go to the folder in my desktop, if you are using Windows machine, then you can easily right click and create a folder and create a file inside index.html. So any HTML file, the one required thing is that the file extension have to be .html. Just you can create a text file and right click it and then change the extension name index.html or whatever name, doesn't matter, but .html this is required. And now I am opening the file to my Google Chrome. The file has opened in Google Chrome, nice, but we don't see anything. Of course, there is no reason to be anything here because we didn't write anything inside the file. I am going back to the editor again and I will write some code. And before starting any code, let me explain what actually contained inside the HTML file. Any HTML file, everything is contained with the tags. That's mean tags is a building block for any kind of HTML, any kind of website actually. And the programming language, whatever you use, whether it is a React, PHP, Ruby Rails, whatever you use, every programming language, the main mm, thing is that everything is generate HTML, which we see in our website. So let's we write some HTML code. I am typing HTML and HTML. Sorry. Sorry. just I have written HTML tag. Any website, the first tag is HTML tag. HTML tag will wrap everything for any HTML website. Inside the HTML tag, there is two part. One is a head tag and another is a body tag. For head tag, we can write head, and for body tag, we can write body this way and this way. So every HTML website, there is a head part and body part. Head part is used to providing some information of our HTML website, HTML document, and body tag is that place where we see usually in our website screen, website browser. Okay, let's we type something inside our head tag, title. Inside the head tag, there can be many tags. I have just wrote title tag, and let's uh, welcome to my website. And if I go to our uh, browser and refresh it, you see uh, the title is showing in the OS browser title bar. This is actually this text is coming from this title tag. You usually see there are many other tags inside head tag, and we of course familiar with the script tag inside head tag. Script, and we use this script tag for putting the Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics script tag. I'm just removing this. I will explain everything step by step very clearly so you will understand everything. Inside the body tag, we usually write which we like to see in our website. For example, if we like to write a heading in our website, we can type H1, H1, and then welcome to my website or anything. We could write anything else, whatever we like to see in our website. Now, if we refresh our website, we see this is the text, and this is also known as H1, that means primary heading. And if we like to have the secondary heading, we can type H2, H2, and inside the H2, we can like, we are providing marketing services. Sorry, services. Now, if I refresh our page, we see the secondary heading. Now explain everything. What is everything inside any HTML website? Everything is tag. This one is called HTML tag. This is head tag. This is a body tag, and every tag start with angle bracket and then angle bracket closing. Both angle bracket start and end. Inside the bracket, we usually write the name of the tag, and at the end of the block we have to write same thing, but we need extra slash. So this is h1 starting tag, this is h1 ending tag, this is h1 starting tag, this is h2 starting tag. That's why if we like to have some paragraph in our website, we can like this way. For writing any paragraph, we need to use the p tag. So we start with angle bracket, then tag name p, then close the bracket. And in my editor, there is a auto completion feature. That's why the p ending tag is automatically get completed. Inside the complete, we will write whatever we need. Maybe if you need any marketing services, we, 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 we can help with that, or anything which you what you like in your website. So the name of the tag and the name of thing is quite similar. For H1 we use heading one, we use H1. For paragraph we use P, as well as everything is similar. And the tag has two part, starting and ending part. And there is another kind of tag that tag does not contain the ending tag. Let's see. If we like to add a image inside our website, then we need help of img tag. img. This tag represent image tag, and closing this tag. And image tag doesn't need the ending tags. That means we don't need to use the closing tag like this. Sorry. Actually, the image tag doesn't have the closing ending tag. That cases we can write this way. And now if we go to our website and refresh, actually there is nothing. We wrote the image tag img, that's represent image tag, and we are expecting a image inside our website. But actually the image tag, we need to put some more information. That means which image we like to show in our website. That cases this tag also expect more information. The more information we are providing, more information is called attribute. So this is the tag, and this tag we have to assign a URL or path of the image. So for image tag we can write the path src. src is source of image, and then we need equal sign, and then we need to write equal sign, and then to quotation mark. Inside the quotation mark we need to write the URL of the image path. Just I am going to a website like pixabay.com, and then yeah, we can just take a link of any of the image, maybe this image, and right click, and then copy image address. If we write, yeah, we have just copied the address, that's means link of the image, and coming back to my code and just put the link of image. This is the link of image. And now again, if I go to our website and refresh, nice, we can see this is the image. So thing is that some tag, it's contain ending tag, static tag, and ending tag. And some tag, it doesn't require the ending tag. It's require some attribute. For image tag, we use the src attribute. So image tag, this is attribute, and this is value of the attribute. And if I go to our website, the image size is pretty much big. If we like to resize the image, we also can provide few more information for image tag. For example, if we like to resize the image, we can type width. Maybe we need 100 pixel, then we can write width 100. Sorry, width. And see, this is the image has resized with 100 pixel. Maybe it is too small. Maybe we can take it 300 pixel. Now it's look better. So main thing we need to memorize or learn that the any tag that can contain, if any tag, if we like to provide more information, then we need to use attribute, and attribute also to put name of the attribute and value of the attribute. So image, this is the tag, src, this is the attribute, and this is the value of the attribute. Okay, all right. So let's see a few more others tag. In any website, the most we see that is the div tag, something like div. Actually, for div tags, there is no visual look. It is used for divided. It is used for divided website, and every cases this is the div tag. Inside the div tags, I am using the tab so that we can clearly see the parent child easily. And this is the div tag actually used for making division of the website so that we can make a fully structure of our website. This is the div tag. Maybe we can write this one, and we can take another div tag. Inside the div tag, we can take some link of our website. So how we can create a link in our website? Maybe we usually see there is a navigation bar of website. For using link, we use the anchor tag. Anchor tag is start uh, a a is represent anchor tag. We are taking a, and this is the ending tag. And then inside the tag, we can write the link of our website, navigation, home, and we could have many others. Link, about, maybe contact. Contact. So if we go to our website and refresh, you see the text is showing, but thing is not clickable. It is obvious because we only wrote the text for link, but we need to provide some information. And I have already told that we need help of attribute to provide extra information for any kind of tags. So for anchor tag, we need some link. So we can type href, and then for our website, it should be index.html. Maybe for demonstration purpose, I am writing another field. Maybe search, search. Inside the search, if we expect when someone click on the text, it should open Google. That cases we can write anchor tag, and we need to put the actual link of the anchor tag href. And if we type https://google.com, and now if I go to our website and if we click, wow, this is redirect to google.com page. So for anchor tag, href is an attribute which is used for providing the link of the anchor tag. For our website, we can use the file path of our website, maybe about.html. I will create a page for about and contact.html. So home about contact stars. There are 4 links in our website. If we click to home page, actually this is the main page, and if we click to about page, you see this is redirect to about.html, but we didn't create any page for about and contact page. We will create it later. So this is deep tech, this is deep tech. So deep tech, main use of deep tech to divide it a website in many section by section, and then we can take another section, another div, and inside the div we can take uh, a H2, maybe our products. This is another section. We can take some of our product. Inside the H2 div tag, we are taking another div to create a product. Maybe we can have H3 tag for name of our product. Maybe iPhone 5. And then this cases we can take another p tag for price. Maybe it is iPhone 14, and the price is dollar 12,000, 1200. And then this is our product title, product price. And if you like to have a button for buy now, then we can put a buy now button. This is a button tag. Inside the button tag, we need to we can write buy now. This is our iPhone 14, price $1,200, and this is the buy now button. Of course, clicking the button will not do anything for now. We have to implement the other things so that anybody can click here and buy the product. And one very important tag is form tag. In any website, you see a lot of form. Let's see about our form tag. Form. Before doing that, we can just duplicate this and we can make couple of new product. iPhone 13, price maybe $1,100. Sorry. This one, and maybe MacBook Pro, price maybe $1,199. So in our website, we can see one, two, three products. And of course, this website doesn't look that good, because if we like to make our website look nice, then we need to use some CSS. We will discuss CSS later of our session. In this session, we are making some structure of our website and learning some HTML tags. And there is another div. Inside the div, we can take another H2 tag like this, and then we can put quick contact. This is the quick contact section. This contact, we are going to create some form so that anybody can put information and quickly contact with us. So we need help of form tag. Starting writing any tag, we need to write angle bracket, then form, and then we need to close the form tag. And now if we go to our website and refresh, of course, there is nothing because this is the form tag. This is the parent tag of that containing all other input field of form. So inside the form tag, we need to put input. Input is a field. Input tag is used for creating a field. And input tag, there is another attribute name is type. We can write type then text. If we need to have text field, then we can type text field. And if we scroll down, we see a nice text field for putting information. And of course, we need some label for the field. That cases we can take another P and then paragraph tag, and we put the information inside our paragraph tag. And then we need to use label tab, label, and then name. And then this is the for attribute. And actually, if we go to our website, and if you like to make a reference with this title and this field, then we need to put a name, maybe name. And also we need same ID for this field, name. And now if I click name, this field is activating. Just I am duplicating this code, and then we can write email, and then for we can take email, and then ID can be same email. So name, email. Maybe we can have another field name, subject. Just sorry. Subject, we can give the same ID for ID field of input. And this field type should be email. And this field text should be also text. And we are getting name, email, subject, and then we need another big field, text area field. Just I am duplicating same thing. And then message. And for creating the text area field, we need another tag named text area. So text area field contain starting and ending tag. Just we can write ID. This should be message. Same thing. And then another thing is important for any HTML input, that is name. So if every field we need some name, the name could be anything, it doesn't matter, but I am putting the same name as the ID or name. And then this field name is email, and this field name is subject, and this field uh, actually I have missed the closing tag, and this field name should be message. And now if we go our website and check it, we see the name, email, subject, and then message. Oh, I have missed a quotation here. Now it's look it. And then of course we need to have a submit button. Submit button, just I am duplicating this field. And this cases we don't need any label. There is two way to put submit button. One is we can use the button attribute. Inside the button attribute, we can send message. Yeah, this is the send message. And another thing can be the input. In that cases we need to use button type submit. This is a one way, and you also see the another way for submit button, that is the input field, but the input type is submit, and text for text we need the value attribute is send message. So this is the send message. And now if we type some information inside our I need some help of marketing. Some text message we can type. And now if we send submit button, actually nothing is happened, but if we see our URL, the information is passing through our URL. That's good. If your website, there is two way you can use. If you use a Ajax form, that cases you don't need to submit the information through your URL. And if you like something like PHP or any other programming language, that cases we usually take information from our URL. And the form, in the form tag, there is a attribute. If you like to submit the form any other pages, that cases we need to use action. Action means where the form will be submitted. For example, if we type leocoder.com, that cases if I refresh our website and put again the information and press submit, you see the link is redirecting and going to the another website. And this is the link, action link, where the form should go. It's come to my another website, and this is the information what we have written. And form tag can have another attribute, that is method, that can be post or get or post. I will not explain, I will not go any further with this attribute. And we recap with what we learned. So any HTML website, everything is contained with tag. HTML tag is very starting tag, and every tag can have others tag. For HTML, HTML is a parent tag, and head and body is called child tag. So HTML is a parent for head and body tag. And this way, head and body tag have has a parent. This is HTML tag. Head tag contain a title tag. So head is a parent for title tag, and head head tag has a child tag is title tag. And every tag it should start with a angle bracket, then tag name, then closing angle bracket, then child element inside it, and then we have to close the tag with same thing, but we need extra slash. And there is a two kind of tag. One is a to closing and opening and closing tag, and one type and another type of tag is a self closing tag. So one thing you will notice that if any tag that contain child element, that cases that tag has a starting and ending tag. And if you look at our image tag, you see the image tag doesn't contain any child element, so that cases the image tag doesn't have ending tag. This is the same thing for input tag. The input tag does not contain any child element, so it is a self-closing tag. And every tag can have many attribute. Attribute is used for providing more information for tags. For these cases, we provide the type of the input and name, ID, and other thing. Also, if we look at the image tag, you see that this is the image tag, and inside the tag, this is the attribute, and this is the value. So main thing we need to memorize three things. Then which is tag is this, and which is attribute, this is attribute. So this is tag, this is attribute, and this is value. When we track our website, this is very important to remember that this is the tag, this is attribute, and this is the value. There is a lot of attribute which is used just for passing information. For these cases, there are our three products. And you may notice that there is a lot of tag name data. Actually, there is a lot of attribute name data. Actually, data attribute is used for providing more information, actually passing information for future use. For example, this product cases, we can put data ID. So the product ID may be this one. And for other product, we also put ID, maybe this for this product, data ID, this. So you must notice a lot of data attribute in your website, which on is used only for providing more information, passing value for data and others information. So this is the div tag, and this is the data ID attribute, and this is the value. So you need to memorize, you need to understand three things. One is a tag, one is a attribute, and one is a value. Tag is a building block of HTML. Attribute is a thing that is used for providing more information for tag, and value is value of the attribute. So this thing just we need to memorize for further understanding. And we have created a three page. One is a just I am removing this page, and index.html, contact HTML, about HTML. I am just copying all of the information and creating two more pages for our website. Just we need to create, right click and new file. We can write about.html and then we can write contact.html. Just I am pasting everything from home page. So that means index.html page. Yeah, I have just put all of the information for these two pages. I am going to about.html and just we don't need everything. Just we can remove everything. Yeah, this way. And maybe for this page we can have different type of content for about page. Maybe about us, and then information about us. We are one of the best. And this way, I'm just copying this information and going to the contact page and removing everything and pasting it again. And then this is the contact page. Then we need to change the H1, contact us. And then you can contact us for any kinds of marketing help. And now I am going to the index.html page and just quickly we can copy the font. Yeah. And now if we go to our website and check, this is our home page, this is about page, and this is the contact page. So we have built a nice website. Actually, this is not nice website. This is a structure of website. And if you like to make thing nice and clean, actually we need help of CSS. Actually, CSS is not main thing here for this course. So hope we are clear about the tag, the attribute value. So if I summarize whole video, so we have to understand three things. One is tag, one is attribute, and one thing is value of the attribute. So this is the three thing we need to understand to tracking any kind of website value. So hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any question, comment me. I will answer your questions. And next day, next video, we will upload this website in server so that we can access outside anywhere in the world. And then I will show how we can track information from this website using Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. So until then, thank you everybody.